I used to just fish with bread, a hook, and a line tied to a stick. Hang out next to a little old creek and see what I get. Right now I'm using a green pumpkin tube. I used it last year here during the fall, and it did amazing. I caught a bunch of smallmouth like right here in this very spot. So we'll see what it does today. Oh, he's fast. Alright, got a little smallmouth here. Let's take a good look at him. Yeah. Looks good to me. Wouldn't mind catching about 10 more of these. Last time I was here, I probably did do that. I'm pretty sure I caught like 8 of them right out here. Let's go ahead and let him go. Get him back in the water. Let him go back over here and get a little bit bigger. Alright, let's see what we can get out of here. I've caught a lot of different fish here. They like to hide under that little concrete wall there. But I normally don't get down here because there's normally a snake down here. And he sits right over there. So, we'll see what we get. I'm sure I'll get something. Alright. Little shadow bass here. Finally come out and took a look at it and bit on it. These things have big mouths for the size of their body. Alright, let's see what else I can get out of here. I've caught shadow bass in here, smallmouth bass, sunfish, a bunch of different types of sunfish. Even caught a shiner here once on the trout magnet crawdad. It's really hard telling what's staying under this rock right here. It's following it. Something's following it. Got him. Nice, another shadow bass. I think these things look so cool. Little guy there. Cute though. A little spike. Alright, get back in here, bud. Let's see if anything's over here in this moving water. Might just be a big old bass in there I don't know about. Might not be. Might just be wasting my time. But with water this pretty and this sounded, it really ain't like it's wasting your time. I mean, you're still relaxing at least. I mean, this water's so clear, it's hard to trick these fish in real clear water. I don't really know if they can see my shadow, and I might have scared them away if they were over here. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like creek fishing or just creek fish or any fish really, I mean these fish, some of these look like they should be in an aquarium, to be honest with you. Hey, if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell, that way when I do put a video on, you'll get a notification. If you like this video, leave me a like and a comment. Leave me a comment about what you like to fish with. What's your favorite creek bait to use?